Travis said. Hmm.
Mm.
Mr. Black, every spunk is awake.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Pinky, hey, Oren.
Oh.
Pinky, Oren, my hair is chopping.
Oh. Oh.
Wake up, you two.
Oh. What?
It's 5 in the morning, for God's sakes.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, I didn't mean to wake you up.
It's okay.
But everyone ate breakfast. The start of a day. What is it? Gray.
Hmm?
Gray.
Yeah?
You're not gray. Gray.
What? What?
You're a boy, Gray, not a girl.
What?
You're a boy, remember?
Oh. What?
Raddy's not awake.
Oh. Ready? Wake up.
What?
It's fine. Get up.
What time I slept last night?
Mm-hmm.
Did I sleep 12 again?
Mm.
Oh, again.
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow we have to sleep early, Gordo. But we can't do episodes today because it might be 11:30 right now.
Hmm?
But you're lucky you to stay in my room till it's 11:45 for 11:40. Okay?
What?
You're lucky to stay in my room till it's time for us to go to sleep.
Why?
So that Dad doesn't hear you in the living room. Okay? Sorry. I overslept.
That's okay.
Did I overslept or did not?
Mm.
No. Is my breakfast on the table?
Oh, yeah.
Dang it. I forgot to eat it. Later. There. I finished it.
Oh.
Let me brush my teeth real quick. Sorry, Javin. Sorry, Gray. I didn't mean to try to overslept.
That's okay.
Let's get up on Raytortie Cat, wake up. Huh?
Huh?
It's 5 in the morning.
Oh.
Oh. What's going on with Raytortie Cat even going?
Huh?
Why is she going outside?
Um. Hmm.
Well, just let her. She's just little. But she had to be careful not to get lost.
Uh-huh.
I'm going outside.
Okay.
Okay, be careful.
Be careful out there.
Okay? Later. Ow, my skin.
Hmm?
I mean, ow, my head. Hey, Mom.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good?
Raddy almost overslept again,
Hmm.
but he's awake. How's it going?
Good.
Have you noticed something?
Hmm?
Your toilet is clogged.
Wait, what?
The toilet.
Huh?
Look, it's gonna spill off water. You better fix it or something.
Oh, dear.
Did you clog the toilet?
Hmm?
Did you clog the toilet again?
No.
Then who did?
I don't know.
Was it my dad?
Um.
Dad, did you clog the toilet?
Oops.
What did you eat?
Um.
Mom, please don't tell my dad eat tacos again.
Yeah, sorry.
Dad, you're not supposed to be eating tacos. It's not a big deal. Stay in the toilet for like 2 hours.
Oops.
You better fix the toilet. See you later, Mom.
See you.
When this is, hey, Gray.
Hmm?
Gray.
Hmm?
You're a boy. You're a boy.
What?
Why are you? Why are we together? Because we're both cats or something? You're a cat and I'm a cat too.
Mm-hmm.
I'm actually gonna spend time with Raytortie Cat for a while.
Mm-hmm.
Travis said, I don't think that's a good idea. Huh?
Huh?
You're a boy, Gray, not a girl.
Huh? What do you mean?
Because that's Raddy's kitten. He's gonna get angry at you if you spend time with her for too long. That's his kitten, not yours.
Oh, sorry.
No, I'm talking to Wenda.
Oh, like.
Wait, what?
Uh,
You can't spend time with her. You need to ask Raddy's permission before doing that.
oh. I mean, oh, right.
You gotta tell Wenda to ask Raddy first before spending time with one of his kittens. He owns them, not you both. Where's Raytortie Cat at? Oh, she's out. Oh, never mind, she's coming back. Hey, what's coming back? My dad clogged the toilet.
Wait, what?
He clogged the toilet again.
Really?
Grace, what? Is that you?
Yeah. Look, yeah, that's me.
My dad clogged the toilet because he ate tacos last night.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Travis. Great. Tell Wenda to ask Raddy first because he doesn't want to get angry usually.
Oh.
Tell her.
You're not supposed to be.
Not supposed to be what?
Uh,
You're supposed to tell her to ask Raddy.
you're not supposed to be telling her. Ask Raddy.
Oh, can you not copy me?
Oh, sorry.
Tell Wenda to ask Raddy if it's okay with him.
Okay.
Tell her.
Ask Raddy?
No, her.
Oh.
Tell her.
Wait, what's her name again?
It's who?
Wendy.
Wenda.
Wenda.
Huh?
Wenda.
What?
Ask us for this to Raddy.
Ask Raddy?
Yeah.
Okay. No, you do it. I'm scared. I'm so glad I have Raytortie Cat. She's my favorite kitten of all times. Great, what are you doing in my room?
Did you ask her?
Why is she going to? She's scared. Ask him. What?
She wants to
know. What's the what?
To
what? Just tell me.
She wants to ask to go to.
Gray, come on, don't be scared.
Well,
Well, what?
no, she wants to
What? What?
uh hmm,
What? What does she want this time?
oh, she wants something.
Want something? What? To what?
The
Just tell me, Gray.
spends the
To spend time with who?
disease cases.
No, Raytortie Cat.
Raytortie Cat.
Gray.
Hmm? Hmm?
Not right now. I'm spending time with her. She's my favorite kitten.
Oh,
You have to tell her maybe, Wenda, maybe later if I'm not busy. Raytortie, I'm just petting her. I mean, brushing her fur because it's best done right. No, and in a little bit, I need to give her a bath because she smells like poop or something, and I gotta feed her next. So, sorry. You see the schedule here? That's this Victoria Cat schedule. I had to do it every day.
hmm.
So maybe later.
I see.
Victoria Cat's my favorite cat, but she can play with her skin palm or Raytortie Cat. They I already did theirs yesterday.
Hmm.
Okay, just these two, not Raytortie Cat.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it. Got it.
Okay. Job is it? Hey Pink, I have a surprise for you.
Huh? What is it?
Here you go.
What's this?
This is this is
Hmm?
uh
Hmm?
this is a picture of you and Oren, but the baby.
Oh.
To hang it up for you.
Oh yeah.
Hey Oren, here you go.
Oh thanks.
Hang it up.
Okay.
See? That's you, Pinky, with the baby. I just take a picture of you three yesterday before bed.
Oh, I see.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
You're welcome, Pinky and Oren, and the little one. Maybe that's right. I said maybe that's right, Gordo. We should sleep earlier than 12.
Hmm?
We should, right? I think we should stay away from 12 for now.
The 12?
No, we should stay away. I don't want to sleep too late. I can't wake up by 8 or 9. But if he says, but it's okay if we sleep 11:30 or 11:45. 15 minutes or 30 minutes early, but we can't sleep at 12.
Hmm.
Got it?
Got it. Got it.
Mm-hmm.
Let's continue.
What did he say? Gray?
Well, he said later.
What? Why?
Because.
What is he doing to Raytortie Cat?
Well, he's going to.
Great. Did you forget my schedule of Raytortie Cat again? Let me. Here. Show this to Wenda. Raytortie Cat's schedule every mornings.
Look.
Here.
Oh.
Show this to Wenda because I had to brush her fur first. I need to give her a bath. I need to feed her and play with her. That's all I had to do. But the afternoons, I don't have to do anything, but except I had to, spend time with her. That's all.
Look.
Just,
Look. See?
huh?
Look.
Raytortie Cat's morning schedule.
Yep.
What is he doing first?
First, he's going to.
Brush her fur?
Mm-hmm. And then.
He has to give her a bath?
Yep.
And feed her with the bottle milk?
Mm-hmm.
And then spend time with her?
Yeah.
Or play with her?
Mm-hmm.
Well, wait. Raytortie Cat has a schedule? Just her?
Yes, just her.
Just her, that's it.
Mm-hmm. Just her. That's it.
Oh, not only that.
Hmm?
Great, not only that.
Oh.
But Raytortie has an afternoon schedule too.
Mm-hmm.
By 4 p.m., I need to feed her. By 12 p.m., I need to feed her. By 2, I need to, you know, I gotta,
Mm-hmm.
what does, oh, by 2 p.m., I need to feed her again by 12. I, I let her play, and, uh, maybe Toyga plays Minecraft for like a couple of hours,
Mm.
and by 4, I need to feed her with food and water with ice,
Mm-hmm.
and by 8, I need to brush her fur again, and then by 12, that's when we go to sleep. But this is for tomorrow, so by the afternoon, Wenda will spend time with her, but not right now. This is her afternoon schedule tomorrow. So by tomorrow, Wenda's gonna have to spend time with Raytortie Cat just in the morning. I mean, maybe. By the afternoon, it's okay. As long as I don't take to. But okay.
Mm.
But I don't have another new schedule for her. Just the morning schedule.
Uh-huh.
That's it.
I see.
Now don't disturb me. I need to brush her fur.
Okay.
See what I'm doing?
Mm-hmm.
Look.
What?
See?
Oh, yeah.
It's okay if you can touch her, her tail. Her tail's right there.
Mm.
Give me her morning schedule back.
Okay.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Wait. What?
Hmm?
She has a morning schedule?
Yep.
Let's get Palm, quick. What if you spend time with Wenda, please? I got help with Toy Cat. One of you.
Me?
Yes, not Raytortie Cat.
Oh.
One of you.
Okay.
How about you, Let's get Love Palm? Just for right now.
Yep.
Go.
Okay. Going.
Jefferson. What a relaxing day, right, Mr. Black?
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Black, I see a zombie coming towards you.
What?
He's gonna hit you.
Oh.
I told you. Ow!
Mm.
Skeleton shot me.
Mm.
That hurts.
Yep.
Why be in the case, Mr. Black? Do we need to find more ores or something or loot?
Mm-hmm.
Right. I just said that. Hey, Gray, I'm sending Mosquito Palm. Here she is.
Up.
Here she is.
Ooh.
Mosquito Palm, see?
Oh, yeah.
Go in there, little one.
Okay.
Later. Listen, who's this?
Well, this is...
I don't see her collar. Wait, I do. Mosquito Palm?
Hello that's really.
Why is she here?
Right?
Why?
Because she's here.
Doesn't she have a schedule too?
Um,
Not right now.
nope.
I just did it yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Yesterday? What about Raytortie Cat? Same thing.
Yup. Same thing.
So Raytortie has morning schedules just like. So Raddy has 3 kittens?
Yup. Yes, 3.
How did he get 3?
Mm.
I just got my first one, which is the Scarlet Palm, and then I got Raytortie Cat and Raytortie Cat. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
Mm.
Stupid, Raddy. Hey!
Mm.
Who called me that? Great, you need to keep Wenda's behavior on good control. It's not my fault that Raytortie has a schedule every single mornings.
Mm.
You need to talk to keep her behavior under control. I'm busy concentrating here.
Mm-hmm.
Never mind what's going on. Get back here.
Okay.
Later. There we go. Her fur's good, and oh, her tail. Okay, let's give her a bath. Later. Okay, we'll dry her up, and her fur is so good. Now I have to feed her. Later. Now I gotta play with her. Later, after Raddy finishes Raytortie Cat's schedule. Whew, that was easy.
Mm.
That was easy.
What was it?
It was good. She was purring or meowing. Did you hear her?
Yeah, I heard her.
Shut up, Gray.
Hey, don't say that.
I hate you.
Ouch. That hurts.
Shut up, you.
Mm.
And Raddy needs to die in a ditch. What?
Huh?
Raddy needs to die in a ditch. Hey, don't say that.
Oh.
Gray, can you please calm down, Wenda? She's scaring Raytortie Cat. Can you calm her down? She's scaring Raytortie Cat right now.
Why don't we calm down?
Why?
Because.
Because why?
Because she's scared.
Oh.
The gray cat.
Shut up, Gray. I'm gonna kill you.
Don't say that.
Why? It's rude?
Yeah, that's rude. Ouch.
Jefferson, what's going on here?
Mm-hmm.
What's going on here? Tell you. Whether to shut up. Me and Black almost died. Jesus. Mr. Black, let's just go back to the house. We have only 2 hearts left.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, we're gonna die. Let's go.
Oh.
Back into the house.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, we still have food.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that was close.
Yep.
Oh shoot. We forgot about the armor.
Oh.
Dang it.
Mm.
You forgot to remind us about the armor.
Oh.
Gray.
Mm.
I think I'm tired of Wenda behaving. Can you please get her behavior under control, please?
Of course. Of course.
Jesus Christ.
Mm.
Oh, looks like Victoria's going outside again. Later, she entered Raddy's room. Ah! Huh?
Hmm?
Where is she?
What?
Great, where's Raytortie Cat at?
Huh?
Where did she go?
Oh, where'd she go?
She went outside.
Oh.
Tell her she went outside for a walk.
Mm.
Tell her.
She went to walk.
Why?
Because.
It's part of her life.
Mm-hmm.
Later. Wenda turned to phrase 2. Great. Why is Wenda too angry? Oh no.
Hmm?
She's getting angry like I do.
Oh.
No, this is not good.
Not good. This isn't good.
Wait, where is she going? She has a knife.
Hmm?
Oh crap.
What?
She's in her phrase 2.
Oh, no.
Oh shoot, no.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Well, what are you supposed to do?
I don't know.
Oh, this is bad.
Pinky, or it.
Huh?
Wenda's out of control.
What?
Wenda's out of control.
What's wrong?
Look,
Huh?
she has a knife.
Please? Put the knife down the way.
No,
Why not?
I hate Ray so much.
No.
He cares about Raytortie Cat. I said he cares about Raytortie Cat.
But,
She's mine, not yours.
Mm-hmm.
Right, Pinky? Raytortie Cat's mine. I just got her when she met me.
Mm-hmm.
She's my favorite cat. She's very fluffy. Can you please calm yourself down? Put that knife away. You're scaring us. Window, where are you going? Oh no, this is bad. I'm gonna have to call the police for this.
Oh,
Where do you think she's going?
I don't know.
Oh no. Gray,
What?
she's going out of control.
Oh, good.
She made it outside.
Uh-huh.
No. I gotta call Chef Ton to Chef Brother about this.
Oh, boy,
This is not good.
this is bad.
Later. Hey, Sheriff Rudd.
Yep.
What a relaxing day without no criminals causing.
Mm-hmm.
So, when we get summer vacation break, we can finally travel where we want, which is Flagstaff, Arizona, which is where Fabius' other family lives. We can visit them, right?
Yeah.
Hey, Chief.
Yeah?
Me and Sheriff are planning to visit Fabius' family, which is Raytortie Cat's his family Raytortie Cat in Flagstaff, Arizona, which is far from here, just like he visited them when the blizzard struck northern Arizona. But we're just gonna visit them, just leave.
I see.
Is that okay with you once summer comes?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thanks, Chief.
Welcome.
Nothing without trouble causing.
Mm-hmm.
Right, everyone? Yes.
Yeah.
We can just relax and eat these donuts.
Mm-hmm.
Did you brought these donuts for us, bud?
Yeah, I bought them.
Thanks.
Welcome.
This chocolate was my favorite.
Mm-hmm.
Later. I'm so glad that Raddy take care of me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hey, Viola. I didn't notice you were next to me.
Oh, yeah.
I love you, my sister.
I love it too.
What do you want to do?
Mm.
I just got back because I just went outside because Raddy did my schedule for me.
Oh, I see.
He has a schedule for me. He brushes my fur. He gives me a bath. He feeds me. Then he plays with me. That's it.
Oh, I see.
He loves me.
Mm-hmm.
I'm his favorite kitten.
Yep.
Huh?
Mm?
What was that?
Mm?
Get back here! What was that?
Huh?
What was that?
Uh,
Vienna, what was that?
I don't know.
Hey! Ah!
Huh?
Oh my god!
What?
It's Wenda! Freeze too, she has a knife!
Oh no, not good. When?
Ah!
What?
Get back here! Somebody help us!
What are you supposed to do?
I don't know. Why?
Help us.
Help!
Help.
Help!
Help.
Later. Your brother. Huh? Shut us. What was that?
Huh?
Dang it.
What?
The scream disrupted our peace.
Oh.
I already finished my donuts.
Yep.
What's going on outside?
Oh.
Wait a minute.
What?
Is Wenda seriously holding a knife trying to kill somebody? She would do never such a thing like that.
Oh.
Oh no, we may have to arrest her for that.
Yep.
Sheep.
Yep.
Wenda's going around trying to kill somebody with a knife.
She got crazy?
Yes, she's going nuts. And she's in her race too already.
Yep.
This is a very bad situation.
This is not good.
We may have to arrest her for attempted with a deadly weapon.
Mm-hmm.
I attempted murder with a deadly weapon. But we may need to wait.
Uh-huh.
I don't want to get stabbed.
Yeah. No. No. Ear.
Ow! I tripped on a rock.
Come on.
Get back here, Raytortie Cat.
Here.
I knew you'd never spend time with me because of your stupid friend Raddy. It's not my fault he picked me.
Just keep running. Keep running.
Later. Later. She caught me. Help!
Huh?
She's gonna stop me. Help!
Oh no.
Now you're gonna. Now you're gonna pay for what you did. No! Help!
Oh.
Help!
Somebody help us. Somebody help us.
Wenda's going crazy.
We need help.
Sure does it. I knew it. She's gonna stop Raytortie Cat.
We need help.
Sure, brother. She's going to kill Raytortie Cat. We need to stop her.
Oh.
Sheep, look.
Huh? What?
She's going to stop Raytortie Cat. We need to get ready.
Uh-huh.
Shoot, I got to use the restroom fast. I'll be back.
Okay. Come on.
No, I gotta use the restroom.
What?
Brad, you need to use the restroom too.
Yeah.
We gotta be quick.
What?
Later. Come on, Blab, please hurry up. You're supposed to tell you Blab to hurry up. Hurry up, we gotta go.
What? I know we have to go.
Oh my god, we should have we drunk so much water.
Mm-hmm.
Help!
Help us.
It's too late now, Raytortie Cat. No, please don't stab me.
Help us.
Ow!
Huh?
My heart! She stabbed me in the heart.
Help us.
Later, she died.
What? No.
Huh. Now I got my revenge.
What have you done?
Shut up, you, or else you're next.
No.
I'm gonna throw my knife at you.
No, please don't.
Then shut up. I got my payback. Oh, why is my blood taking way too long? Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Oh, thank God. My blood is not finally empty.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, our pee smells a little bit terrible.
Yeah.
Flush him.
Okay.
There we go. Oh, we have to clean our private parts before we go.
Yep.
There we go.
Mm-hmm.
Let's wash our hands.
Mm-hmm.
Dry them.
Yep.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Grab my taser.
Bad, my teaser.
Okay. We're ready.
Ready.
Chief.
Yep.
We're ready.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
And this is have fun without your sister, Viola. Hehehe.
Oh no. My cat. Oh man.
Sure, Tarzan. Chief. Oh my God.
Huh?
Bread. I'm sure bread.
What?
Raytortie Cat. She's dead.
What?
It looks like she's been stabbed in the heart.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Somebody's gonna get arrested for 1 year.
Yep.
Well, we need to find a suspect. There's blood.
Mm.
Trying to see wasn't Demon trying to see what his riders was in. We'll never do such a thing like this.
Mm-mm.
He's doing his chores.
Yep.
Later, they kept searching. Where is the suspect? It's been like 2 minutes.
Mm.
Later. Turn. Wenda said, Raddy, great, I'm back.
What?
I'm back. I'm back. Raddy said, why is there blood on that knife?
Huh?
There's blood on her knife.
What the?
Did she stab somebody? Oh God, please don't tell me.
I don't know.
Pinky, orange.
Hmm?
Went to stab somebody with a knife.
Huh?
Look,
What?
there's blood on her knife.
Huh?
Later. Where is that suspect?
Hmm.
Bro, is she in the hill? Nope, she's not.
Nope.
Is she in the pit? Whoa. I almost fell.
Careful.
Is it in the store? Nope.
Nope.
Later. Wait a minute. Is Raytortie Cat still alive? I gotta look for her.
Yep.
Later. Viola's mom told Viola told her mother that her sister was dead after being stabbed in the heart. She's supposed to tell her.
Mom. What happened?
Raddy said, No. Raytortie Cat, wake up. No, she's dead. Who could have done this?
Our sister is dead. Oh no. Oh no.
Later, they heard Raddy screaming. No. They're supposed to hear him.
Huh?
No, Raytortie Cat's family.
Hmm?
No.
What was that?
I think that was Raddy.
Huh?
I think he's crying. No. This can't be. Oh, he's right there.
Mm-hmm.
No, look.
What?
Did you stab her? No, we didn't do it.
No?
She can't be dead. I love her. Whoever this will pay for this. That's it. I'm turned into my scary form. What the?
What the?
Now someone will pay for this. Don't worry, Raytortie Cat. I'll prevent you even though you're dead. Why is he taking her dead body? Wait, Oh yeah, so later, Wenda hid somewhere. Oh, I gotta hide before the sheriffs come. Great.
Hmm?
Look, wait, Toy gets dead.
What?
Look,
Oh.
somebody stabbed her in the heart.
Hmm.
I can't lose her.
Oh, boy.
Later, Sheriff Time finally found the suspect. Wait a minute.
Hmm?
Later, Wenda scared. What was that?
Huh?
Is Wenda running?
Yep.
Sheriff says, aha!
Huh?
It was Wenda.
Who?
She accused. She accused. She is being accused of killing Raytortie, Raddy's favorite kid, Raytortie Cat. We gotta stop her and take away that knife before she hurts anyone with it.
Right?
Huh?
Wait, what?
Look, she's the one. Get her!
Let's get her.
What are you both doing? Get away from me! Hey, to put that knife down. Brett, this wasn't harming.
Oh, wait.
Put that knife down.
Put the knife down.
Why? Because you can't hurt us.
You can't hurt us.
Later, she tried to throw the knife. Oh, Jesus!
Whoa.
She almost hit me with it.
You okay?
Yes.
Did it hit you?
Nope. What the? Jeez. I got her.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh.
She killed Raytortie. Now she's gonna be in jail for a whole year.
Mm-hmm.
Later. I mean, no. For 2 months or a week.
You didn't get hurt?
Who? No, I'm fine. See? Nope. She didn't cut me at all.
Has no cuts?
Nope, I'm good. Who? Me?
Yeah.
I'm good. I didn't get hit.
Uh-huh.
That was close. Later. Chief,
Yeah?
we found a suspect who killed Raytortie Cat.
Who?
Wenda.
Oh.
Look. See this bloody knife?
Yeah. Yeah.
She's the one who did it.
Mm-hmm.
Wenda said, wait. Oh, no. No, what?
Hmm?
Oh, no.
What?
I think... Wait, Chief, I think she's talking. Wait. No, I think something possessed me. Nope, it's your fault. Right, bro?
Yeah.
How could you?
Mm.
Raddy's probably sad and heartbroken because of you.
Mm.
Now he's staying in jail for 3 weeks. Ah, get in there. Stay in there, you criminal scum. Jesus.
Yep.
Let's wash this knife.
Mm-hmm.
It's clean.
There's a blood on it.
Yeah. Later. There we go. Cheap. It's clean.
Yep.
Let me return this back to someone. Gray.
Yeah?
She tells her, Gray, here's the knife back.
Oh. It has no blood on it?
We washed it off.
Oh. And who did it?
When your girlfriend Wenda did it on purpose.
Wait, what?
She killed her.
She did?
Yes.
Oh.
Jeff, are you kidding me? Wenda would never do such a thing like that, but now she did.
Uh-huh.
Is Raddy crying? Is he? Well, check on him.
Wait, are you crying?
Yes.
Oh, yep, he's crying.
Why? Because his cat passed away?
Yep.
We gotta go back.
Mm-hmm.
Later. Sheep.
Yep.
Raddy is crying.
What happened?
His favorite kid, Raytortie Cat, is dead.
Mm-hmm.
Later. Simon's like, Gray.
Mm-hmm.
What happened?
Well,
Wait, where's Wenda?
you see,
See what?
she killed
She killed who?
the Raytortie Cat.
Raytortie Cat?
Yep.
With what? With the knife?
What the knife?
Where is she?
Oh, she's in jail.
Wenda?
Yep.
No, Raytortie Cat.
Yeah.
No, I'm talking about Raytortie Cat.
Yeah, she's dead.
Where is her dead body at?
It's right here.
In Raddy's room?
Uh,
Why is Raddy crying?
well, because she's
dead?
Yeah, she's dead.
Oh my god, that's horrible.
Mm-hmm.
Later. But she got revived by the United States. The United States said, Abracadabra, bring Raytortie Cat back to life, even though she has 45 lives. Oh, Raytortie Cat, I'm so sorry for not protecting you. So I was a poor Raddy.
Mm.
What is he gonna do without her?
I don't know.
No way. Raytortie Cat, Raddy! Wait a minute.
What?
Somebody revived her.
Oh.
Who did it? United says, I did.
Hmm?
USA revived her.
Oh.
You're welcome. Thanks, USA. You're welcome.
Oh. She's alive.
Great, I missed you.
Hmm?
I missed you.
I missed you too.
Who killed me?
Well, it was
Wenda?
what? Yeah.
I knew it was her. She should have waited.
Mm-hmm.
Later. Shoot, it's almost at bedtime.
Mm-hmm.
3 weeks later. Brad, let her out every 3 weeks.
Okay.
Wait, I think Wenda's right.
Hmm?
I think somebody possessed her. Possessed her.
Huh?
I think somebody did it. Wait a minute. It's Demon China DXC. Oh, he's so arrested.
What?
He got Wenda in trouble by possessing her. Let's get him.
Okay.
Chief.
Yeah.
Wenda's free to go, but that Raddy's worst enemy is arrested now.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get him.
Let's get him.
Later. Show turns. China.
Huh?
We're looking for Demon China EXE. He did something bad. He possessed Wenda to kill Raytortie Cat to get her in trouble and arrested by us. Where is he?
He is
Hey, you!
Huh?
Raddy's worst enemy.
Yeah?
You're in so much trouble.
What?
You got Wenda arrested for this. Get over here.
Oh man.
Bro, knock him out.
I got it.
He's supposed to be knocked out.
Uh.
We got him.
Oh.
Later. Chief, he's here.
Yep.
He's the one.
Mm-hmm.
Where is he? I think I should apologize. Later. Gray?
Yeah?
I'm back.
Oh.
Listen, I didn't do it. Demon Nixie was the one who possessed me and maybe killed Raytortie Cat and got arrested for it. I was accused of doing it. He was the one. Raddy said, what? I can't believe it was him the whole time.
Wait, who was it?
My worst enemy got your girlfriend in trouble for killing Raytortie Cat.
See, I never see him.
He is worse. He causes so much trouble. But I'm glad he's arrested.
Yep, once again.
Yep. Great, I just want to say I'm so sorry for killing Raytortie Cat though. Since I got angry easily.
That's okay.
It's okay. Right, it's okay. For now it's already like 4 p.m. I mean, no, it's already too late. It's already 12. Shoot right till tomorrow afternoon. Okay. Come on, Grace, go to sleep.
Like,
Later. Good night, Gray, Wenda.
good night.
Good night. Later. Well, everyone, this is the lesson for my worst enemy again. Do not possess anyone, because you will get arrested for that. This is a very strict lesson for him. And now he got arrested for 3 weeks. Anyways, see you guys later, and good night. Bye bye.